Welcome to News 53. Murder at Old Malakpet under Chadarghat PS limits. Rowdy shooter Mustaq Ilyas, Mustaq Don murdered under Chadarghat PS limits. DCP East along with ACP Chadarghat Police along with clues reached the spot. Further investigation underway. It may be old enmity behind this murder. Deceased Mustaq Ilyas, Mustaq Don was involved in several murder cases and one attempt to murder case in past. News by Saifuddin Tayyibi.